Hello guys, welcome back to RS Codex. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to discuss about this switch case. In the previous videos, I have discussed about if else, nested if and else if later. If you haven't watched that, try to watch that before and come back to this video. Okay, this video is going to be very interesting, so stay tuned until the end. Let's start our today's video. What actually this switch case means? Switch case or switch statement. A switch case is a control statement used to execute one block of code from multiple options based on the value of a single expression or a variable. Here you can see a switch is a keyword. Beside the switch in parenthesis, we will give the expression that is a sort of variable. That variable gets the input from the user. We can initialize that. Okay, we can declare initially. According to this variable, the switch class will check is this expression value is there, no, that variable value is there, no, it will check is there any case in this particular switch block that will satisfy. For suppose here the expression is something like value 1 is there. For suppose it is something like expression is equals to value 1 is there. Okay, if expression is equals to value 1, then it will check over here. The first case is case space value 1 is there, no, it will check both are same, no, then it will start executing this particular block. After that we have used the break keyword. As of now I haven't explained about what actually this break is. As of now, think something like whenever you use this break, it will exit from that particular loop, that particular case. Whenever you use this break, it will come out of this block. Okay, as of now, whenever this break will come, it will come out of this block. Okay, if it is value 2, then it will check this condition. As it is a value 2, this condition hasn't been satisfied, then it will come to this condition. Okay, like this it will actually happen. And what is meant by this default case? For suppose all these three conditions are being checked by that switch case, it tallied with this expression, but nothing is being satisfied, then default case will be executed. Okay, and another important thing, what is the purpose of this break? We can directly write now. Before saying that, you can see here, if you have watched the previous videos, I have discussed about this not nested if, else if later is there, no. In else if later we will check a sequence of conditions over there. Either any of the condition is been satisfied, a block of statement related to that particular statement is executed. Let me show you. Here it is the particular thing related to this nested if. There are 1, 2 and 3 conditions are there. We have initialized marks as 49. Now it will check these 3 conditions. If any of the condition is been satisfied, for suppose not, it is 49, no, all these 3 conditions are not been satisfied, then ultimately it will display something like failure. If something like if it is 79, then it will display what? It will display the grade, not grade A, grade B it will display. Okay, same like that, it is also going to be happen like that. But small change is that we have used the break and the keywords that we have used are different. Here the color changing part is there, no, these are considered as the keywords. The keywords that are predefined are changed their colors. Okay, what is the purpose of this break? This break is used to say the compiler that, for suppose this code is executed, the compiler thinks that when this code is executed, it will start executing all these codes, all the codes inside these conditions. It won't stop if we won't use this break. It will be very clear when I run this program. Let me show you the program first, then you will get a clear idea on that. Here is the program. Here switch case is there, expression is day, it is the variable, day is the variable, it is the expression. It will check if the day value is 1, then it will execute this particular as Monday. If it is 2, it is Tuesday, 3 means Wednesday, 4 means Thursday. For suppose if you have entered anything other than that, then it will execute something like invalid day. you have to it is mandated to write the default case. In nested if or if else, there is no mandate of writing this else, but we're coming to the switch case, it is mandated to write the default case. Okay, now let me initialize this div. I have initialized, and I will ask the user to enter day value. Okay, um okay, I have forgotten over here. Over here I will write the day. Okay, this is the program over now. There is no mandatory over that. Save the program and let me run. What happened? I have to make these as a comments now. Think I have made them. Yeah. Now let me save and run the program. C double N we have entered. C double N. Some sort of mistakes might happen, but you have to rectify. Okay. Enter the day value. For suppose I have entered 4 and clicked enter. Here you can see it is Thursday. Again, let me run the code and I will enter something like 8. Click enter. Here you can see the invalid day. If I have run again and I have entered 1, it is Monday. Now, let me show what is the purpose of this break. Remove all these breaks keywords over here and over here. Okay. Now I have removed the break keyword and now let me run the program. For suppose I have entered the input as 1. Here you can see Monday has displayed, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and invalid day also has been displayed. Ultimately, the compiler thinks something like if this condition is satisfied, then it will start executing all the code. Enter all the code, it will consider as everything is true only. Okay. For suppose if I have entered 2, the Monday will not come. From second case, it will consider as everything is true and it will execute the entire code. Okay, this is one of the situation in the switch case. So to avoid that particular conditions, we will use this break statement. Whenever we use that break statement, when this condition is satisfied, it will enter into this block and execute this. I mean, it will display as Monday. After, when coming to the next line, the compiler will see the break statement, I mean break keyword, then it will come out of the block. Okay, this is what is the purpose of this break keyword. Don't forget to keep that break, it is very important. Okay guys, I hope you have understood it very clearly about this switch case. If you feel the video is informative, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe for the channel for upcoming videos. If you have any sort of doubts, please share with me in your comment section. I will try to sort that out. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.